Hi, I'm Mainak.
Hi Munmun and welcome to our home. We are here to narrate our journey with Excel Interiors and Designers.
So it all started in the month of August 2018 when we started looking for the interior designer for our home. So I was going through some Google reviews, and that's the first time we heard about Excel Interiors and Designers. I went through their reviews, which was quite impeccable. Everything was above 4.5 stars. And then we saw the videos which were uploaded in YouTube. So all the videos were quite impressive. I mean, the things which we're looking for, we saw in those videos. So it all started with us meeting Jay in during one of his projects, which he was about to hand over. And we saw the finishing, we saw the material quality, we saw the execution, and everything was really impeccable. I mean, to deliver everything within such a specified budget, it's amazing.
As like we were looking a very simple, classy, yet elegant home. We did not want a very gaudy but still a cozy, comfortable atmosphere. Of course, we wanted something out of the box, and that wow factor should be there.
Yeah.
And we thought, yes, Excel designers will be doing the great job.
So Jay came up with this wonderful idea to integrate the crockery unit with the dining space.
Yes.
And if you see, it's like the bench is well integrated with the crockery unit. The way the space has been utilized completely, it's really good. And it's something new. We haven't come across these kind of things. After the designing, the selection process came, and we remember that he was really very patient and he guided us throughout the entire selection process. We still remember the day when we went for the wallpaper selection, and it took almost 5 hours for us to decide the exact wallpaper that we would require. And I still remember that Jay was really very patient throughout that entire duration, and he guided us flawlessly. So hats off to Jay for having such a patient mind.
In the master bedroom, we wanted a wall to be bolded, so Jay gave us a vibrant wallpaper. Even we had a L-shaped window. It was highlighted with the full-size curtains with some hanging lights, and it came up very beautiful.
So to highlight the L-shaped window in the master bedroom, Jay came up with this fall ceiling design which had spotlights embedded in it. Guest bedroom, we wanted something very vibrant. We wanted to highlight a particular wall with some vibrant textured paints, because previously we saw in many of our friends' house that the textured paint is quite in fashion. What we believe is that any interior designer with a very high budget can deliver whatever the client wants within the specified period of time. But that is not the real challenge. The real challenge is to deliver something what the client wants within the specific time, within the specified budget, and without compromising the quality. This is the real challenge for an interior designer. And if somebody asks me, like, if I want to rate Excel Interiors and Designers within a space of 1 to 10, I would definitely give them 10 on 10, because they have ticked all the boxes that we had provided and they have come out impeccably. So yes, that said, we would definitely wish them all the luck for the future endeavor and keep doing the great work that you've been doing.
Of course, thank you so much, Jeff and his team, to give us a beautiful home, a wonderful work, amazing work, and all the very best for the future. A big thank you.